just a history that they may prove. And when you're gone, I'll tell them my religion's you. When punctures come to kill the king upon his throne, I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head. Dance together, forgive him before he's dead, because I won't cry for you, I won't crucify the things you do. I won't cry for you, see, when you're gone I'll still be bloody Mary. We are not just art for Michelangelo to carve. He can't rewrite the aggro of my fury heart. I'll wait on mountaintops in Paris, going to Maria to turn. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head, head, head. Like Jesus said, I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head. Dance together, forgive him before he's dead, because I won't cry for you, I won't crucify the things you do. I won't cry for you, see, when you're gone I'll still be bloody Mary. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da. I won't cry for you, I won't crucify the things you do, do, do. I won't cry for you, see, when you're gone I'll still be bloody Mary.
Switch off the light, are you scared of the dark? You're frightened, I guess that you are. Fear in your eyes, you won't get very far. The door's locked, the windows are barred. Hold your tongue, don't make a sound. Hold your breath, don't let it out. I can't get you off my mind, so I'll give you a taste of how my devil sounds. Write down your counting up sheep. A lullaby sings you softly to sleep. Bell breaks, you'll fall from the tree. A lullaby sings you softly to sleep. Cradle yourself underneath all the sheets. Your heart seems to cry while it beats. Can't scream for help 'cause your lips are sewn shut. You wished for the angel, I'm not. Hold your tongue, don't make a sound. Hold your breath, don't let it out. I can't get you off my mind, so I'll give you a taste of how my devil sounds. up sheep. A lullaby sings you softly to sleep. Bell breaks, you'll fall from the tree. A lullaby sings you softly to sleep.
Standing on the highway with my thumb out. Everybody's passing but you slowed down. And my heart is telling me to turn around, but my body wants me to stay. Looking sweet, but boy, I know you're sneaky, with trophies in your backseat. All the girls that came before were easy, before you met me. They told me you were a killer, a killer. I saw your collection of hearts and I should've known better, better. Cause they told me you were a killer, a killer. And I got no doubt that the only way out of this thriller is if I am a killer too. Is if I am a killer too. Walking all alone, you know it's okay, cause my tongue is sharper than a switchblade. You've been trying to elevate my heart rate, but you can't scare me no more. Looking sweet, but boy, I know you're sneaky, with trophies in your backseat. All the girls that came before were easy, before you met me. They told me you were a killer, a killer. I saw your collection of hearts and I should've known better, better. Cause they told me you were a killer, a killer. And I got no doubt that the only way out of this thriller is if I am a killer too. 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 Is if I am a killer too.
Oh, don't I look nice? Batting my eyes, isn't it pure perfection? Cute, thinking polite, stereotype, got your full attention. Things that you can play with me, you better watch your back. The last thing that you hear would be my laugh. Cause baby doll skill, don't provoke us or we will push you downhill. Might be pretty but we're still bitter as much as we're sweet. Knife hidden under the sheets, baby doll skill. Don't provoke us or we will go. Oh, cause all we pretty but we're still. Heels made out of steel, how does it feel to be walked all over? Nails leave on the trail, caught in pigtails, blood drips down your shoulder. Baby, there's power in numbers, but I want all of your friends. You're done to listen to no one, we all know how this ends. Doll skill, don't provoke us or we will push you downhill. Might be pretty but we're still bitter as much as we're sweet. Knife hidden under the sheets, baby doll skill. Don't provoke us or we will go. Oh, cause all we pretty sugar and spice and everything nice. No, that's not what we're made of. Venom and ice to kill the bites. Go ahead and pray, cause baby doll skill. Don't provoke us or we will push you downhill. Might be pretty, but we're still bitter as much as we're sweet. Knife hidden under the sheets, baby, don't skill. Don't provoke us or we will.
Been about 3 days and I'm coming back. I'm about 4 minutes from a heart attack. And I think you make me a maniac, but you don't know. 2 years and we in between, but we both been male since we 17. Here we go, fist fight in a limousine, but they don't know. And we both hope there's something, but we both keep fronting. And it's a closed discussion. And I'm thinking, damn, if these walls could talk. Well, they'd be like, shit is crazy, right? That ain't your baby no more. Been about 2 weeks since you went away. I'm about halfway through a cabernet. There I go, I'm wasting a Saturday sitting at home. Told my new roommate not to let you in, but she's so damn good with a bobby pin. Now you gone, play me like a violin, hitting these notes. And we both hope there's something, but we both keep fronting. And it's a closed discussion. And I'm thinking, damn, if these walls could talk. Well, they'd be like, shit is crazy, right? That ain't your baby no more. Hey, no more. That ain't your baby no more.
Think I'm getting butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away.
No, hey, love, baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot. Inferno, baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot, oh so hot.
She's lost her head, falling for exteriors as appealing as there might be. I know I'm afraid.
No, hey, love, baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot. Inferno, baby, I'm the reason why that's so fun. Hell's so hot, oh so hot.
Stops your heart. You try to
night hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whosoever shall be found without the soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell.
I'm gonna do it tonight.
Stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.
Say turning the handle to the voices in your eyes. You pour it out where everyone can see. Your heart's too big for your body, it's why you won't fit inside. You pour it out where everyone can see. They call you cry baby, but you don't fucking care. Cry baby, so you laugh through your tears. Cry baby, 'cause you don't fucking care. Tears fall to the ground, you just let them drown. You just let them drown. Cry baby, You're all on your own and you lost all your friends. You told yourself that it's not you, it's them. You're one of a kind and no one understands. But those crybaby tears keep coming back again. Someone's turning the handle to the voices in your eyes. You pour it out where everyone can see. Your heart's too big for your body, it's why you won't fit inside. You pour it out where everyone can see. They call you cry baby, but you don't fucking care. Cry baby, so you laugh through your tears. Cry baby, 'cause you don't fucking care. Tears fall to the ground, you just let them drown. Cry baby, you just let them drown. Cry baby, you just let them drown. I look at you and I see myself, and I know you're better than anyone else. And I have the same faucet in my eyes, so your tears are mine. They call me cry baby, but I don't fucking care. Cry baby, I laugh through my tears. Cry baby, 'cause I don't fucking care. Tears fall to the ground, I just let them drown. Cry baby, I just let them drown. Cry baby, you just let them drown. Cry baby, I just let them drown. Cry baby, you just let them drown.
What's your emergency?
Don't think I can take it. With every drama, a piece of me dies, like some kind of sadist. I think that he likes to see the pain in my eyes. He knows that I'm lovesick. He kissed me and promised I would be alright. We both know it's bullshit. The longer I'm with him, the less I'm alive. Doctor's on the other line, 'cause he's not coming home tonight. And I just took my very last pill. Need something to numb the pain. Demons knocking on my brain, I think they're coming in for the kill. 911, I need someone. My baby plays me like a game, I'm not having fun. 911, tell him he's won. My heart is always aching and I gotta be done. 'Cause I gotta lose my guy. Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind. You must think that is 2, so I guess that makes 3. I need someone to save me. I'd really appreciate if you'd intervene. Doctor's on the other line, 'cause he's not coming home tonight. Can't seem to find my bottle of pills. Swear to God I'm not insane. The voices only say his name, and I'm starting to think that they're real. 911, I need someone. My baby plays me like a game, I'm not having fun. 911, tell him he's one. My heart is always aching and I gotta be done, 'cause I gotta lose my guy. Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind. Not having fun. Gotta be done. I'm gonna lose my mind.
My Lucifer is lonely, standing there, killing time. Can't commit to anything but a crime. Leaders on vacation, an open invitation. Animals, evidence. Pearly gates look more like a picket fence. Once you get inside, I've got friends but can't invite them. Hills burn in California, my turn to ignore ya. Don't say I didn't warn ya. All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies. And once the water starts to rise and heaven's out of sight, she'll want the devil on her team. My Lucifer is lonely. Look at you, needing me. You know I'm not your friend without some greenery. Walking wearing feathers, Peter should know better. Your cover-up is caving in. Man is such a fool, why are we saving him? Poisoning themselves now, begging for our help. Wow, hills burn in California, my turn to ignore ya. Don't say I didn't warn ya. All the good girls go to hell, 'cause even God herself has enemies. And once the water starts to rise and heaven's out of sight, she'll want the devil on her team. My Lucifer is lonely. There's nothing left to say. My God is gonna own me. There's nothing left to say now. You know I don't believe in ghosts or letting people close. I'm good at letting go. You kiss my lips until they're colder. Think you're in control, but I should let you know. Well, the good guys don't always get the glory. Can't you see the warning signs? I can make you live a living hell if I wanted to. Wanted to. Wish this was a life you never felt, and you know it's true.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Kids out of order, got no time to play. That's why we fight and make up in a day. Oh, it's kinda strange in a way. The two of us grew up in this little town, staying up late with no parents around. Oh, so we stay the same. Love, we got that kind of love, the one that cuts you deep, torn between the beautiful and bittersweet. Love, we got that kind of love, the one that cuts you deep, torn between the beautiful and bittersweet. System overload my brain just to take that pain away. Oh, oh, it's okay, there's no shame. Flowers make me think of you, buy me roses black and blue. Oh, oh, oh. else. Look, appreciate your help. Love, we got that kind of love, the one that cuts you deep, torn between the beautiful and bittersweet. Love, we got that kind of love, the one that cuts you deep, torn between the beautiful and bittersweet. Why? Keep asking myself why did we have to meet? Dangerously beautiful and bittersweet.
You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true. Looks like you're on fire, I'm fanning the flames. Like a vampire stood out in broad day. Should have been wiser while picking out what you were gonna say. Fool me once, that's one too many. Better luck next time you've met me. Where's the dance who caught you meddling? Turn around. You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true.
You're sweating this time, I'm reading your eyes. You're being called out, cause you slipped your mouth. Your face has turned pale, gone faint, you're not well. While you were distracted, I guess the spell. Oh, you better run away now. Oh, you've made a mistake now. Oh, got nothing else to say to you.
You made a mistake. Tell me things that can't be true. Focus is what intermission. Tragically, I'm not the victim here. If only I fell for your fiction. Tell me things that can't be true.
I'll wear all pink to your white wedding. I'll dance all night and do something upsetting. I'll laugh when you kick me out. It's been the third time already. Running home, I laugh alone. At least I stole the show. Tryna make wanna do stupid shit. Gotta admit I'm a hypocrite. I like it way better than being on the side of it. I'm a psycho, loving it. Part of me wanna do stupid shit. Gotta admit I'm a hypocrite. I like it way better than being on the side of it. I'm a psycho, loving it. Can't wait to hear what they call me. Call me names and make up feel the adrenaline, the time of my life. We're all just skeletons, just joining the fight, joining the fight.